In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up password for an existing Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had created Threads account through your social media platform such as Facebook or even Instagram, and you wish your Threads account to have its own independent password, it's pretty simple. Just open your Threads account, and once you have opened, go to your profile icon here. From here, tap on these two lines and then go to Account Center under Settings here. Now here, you'll be able to see your current profiles here, and I'm interested in setting my password. So go to Password and Security, and then here look for this option called Change Password. If you tap on this, you'll be able to see all your social media accounts that are associated, and here you can see we have Threads. If you tap on it, now you have an option to create new password here. So that's how you can create a new password on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.